Okay, so in this video we're still working on variables on both sides, but we're going to do a little bit harder practice. So we're going to focus on problems like C, where you have the distributive property, and the distributive property may or may not be on both sides. So I'm going to rewrite this problem on another sheet. Okay, so here's the problem, and don't forget to do the distributive property you're going to multiply. And it turns out I'm going to have to use the distributive property twice. So 5 times x is 5x. And 5 times 2 is 10. Then over here, 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 8 is 24. So now this is my new problem. I'm going to rewrite it. And again, we're going to move the smaller x, and 3x is smaller than 5x, so we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. These 3x's go away, and then we're left with 24 on this side, and 2x plus 10 on this side. Now we're back to a two-step equation, which hopefully by now we're getting really good at. And we're going to subtract 10 from both sides and cross this out. And then we get 2x equals 14. Then we divide by 2, and we get that x equals 7. So I want you to try some. Let's do another one. Let's do, it doesn't matter, how about E? So try E by yourself, and then I'll do it with you, and you can see whether you got it right or wrong. Okay, so here's the problem. So we have 4 times W and 4 times 6. So we have 4W minus 24, and that would equal 3W plus 3. So I'm going to draw a line because this is our new problem here. And I have 4W and I have 3W. Well, 3W is smaller, so I'm going to move it. And these 3W's go away. And I'm left with 3 on this side and 1W, or just plain W. I could put the 1, or I don't have to. Most of the time, kids go either way. They either put it or they don't. It doesn't matter. It's the only one that you can leave without the number. So unless it's a 1, it has to be written. So we're going to add 24 to both sides. And these 24s go away. And we get W equals 27. And we didn't even have to divide this time because it was a 1. The coefficient was a 1, and dividing by 1 doesn't change anything. Alright, so I want you to try a couple by yourself. Do as many as, do one and let me look at it, and then just keep practicing until you get really good at them.